Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blurring text in Canva is a straightforward process that can serve various creative and practical purposes. Once you are logged into your account, you can simply click the Create a New Design or open an existing project that you are working with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnails because, as you all know, after recording this video, I am going to upload this on our T-Plafs channel. Now, I'm going to upload an image. Now, this is going to be the image that I'm going to work with. Right? Now, I'm going to add a text. Probably add a text box, magic write, or if you want, you can simply use any of this font style or font text. Now, what I'm going to do is want to make sure that this is set to like maybe 50 for now. It's too big at the moment, right? Now, basically, one way for you to blur your text here in Canva is selecting the text and go to the animate. Now here, you have this option to fade. All right, so if you click that and you kind of like drag down the speed right here, what will happen is we're not able to scrub that because it requires basically kind of like the you see that? You see the fade effect? That's kind of blurring the text. Now another option is if you want to create a new page or go to the transparency, kind of like semi-blurring the text if you want. All right, that's one way. Another option is click the add page. Now I want you to copy the text here and paste it on the next page. I want to zoom it out. Now what we're going to do is convert this text into an image for us to be able to blur it. All right, by doing so, click on search. We're going to download that as PNG or JPEG, depending on your preferences, but I'm going to choose a PNG. On the all pages, we're just going to download this page 2 where it is the text. Click on done. Okay, so I have uploaded the text that is converted to image. If you ask me why, because basically you cannot use the blur effect to text or shapes. However, you can use the blur to an image, which is what we did. All right, so you see, if I click this image right here, this is the text converted to image. I have now the option to edit. And here, we can use the blur effect. All right. You can choose to blur the whole image, scrub the intensity. You see that? Depending on your preferences. If you click on blur, that's it. But here, the text, you don't really have an option to blur it. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.